Directorate of Health Services, Government of Goa. I welcome you all on this beautiful occasion of felicitating our frontline COVID warriors.
This has been one of the most challenging times for all of us, and our COVID warriors have selflessly devoted themselves for greater good. Society today is indeed indebted to them, and we take this opportunity to honor their work, to salute them for all their sacrifice.
Our government, our HM, Sri Vishwajit Rane, rightly took the step of felicitating all the healthcare workers in the state of Goa, and we are really thankful to him for inspiring more confidence in us to serve better for the people of Goa. As you can see, all the people are so joyous here. They have really appreciated the step and the importance, the acknowledgement they received, and the work that is appreciated by the higher authorities. I pray that we don't get more COVID waves, but this has given us immense confidence to face any eventuality in future regarding the health at least, and we will do our best to safeguard the lives of Goans. Thank you.
I see each face and I know how hard they have worked here. Here there were everybody who gave more than what somebody could expect. And therefore, we could very well control the first wave of pandemic. But I tell you, we had some people who were multitasking, who worked as doctors, who worked as consultants, who worked as drivers, who worked as peons, who also worked and helped me packing the dead bodies also. So this was the kind of dedication which made us win that first pandemic. So this is the ultimate sacrifice. It was our staff, our drivers, our nurses, our multitask staff, our eco staff, our security. Everybody played a role beyond their capacity. So I really appreciate the hard work put in by all the staff at SDH Chikalim. The work that we have done, Goa will remember. You all will be remembered. सुवर्ण अक्षरान आमची नावं बरयल्लीं आसतलीं.
देड वर्स आम्ही कंटिन्युअस काम करता. पहिले कोविड फर्स्ट वेव, कोविड सेकंड वेव, म्हणून आज आमचो हो जो सत्कार जाला हेल्थ मिनिस्टरान स्पेशली आमचे येवन वेळान वेळ काढून सगळे MTS, इको क्लीन, नर्सी, दोतोर सगळ्यांचो जो सत्कार केला तो एका क्षणान आमचे सगळे जे पुरो जाल्ले आमकां इतले काम करून त्या क्षणान आमचे गेले पुरो जाल्ले ते आमकां इतले उत्साह निर्माण जाला हांगान. आमकां काम करीन दिसता कित्याक आमकां आतां कळटा की आमचे जे काम आमी केलां ताची आमची तोखणाय केला सरकारान. आमचें प्रोत्साहन आमकां मेळ्ळा. आमकां खूब म्हाका शब्द ना सांगपाक की आमकां कितले बरें दिसले. सगळे आमचे स्टाफ खूब खोशी आसा. आतां हाजे फुडें आमचे आनीक अजून लढो चालूच आसा. कोविड अजून सोंपुना. वॅक्सिनेशन आमचें चालू आसा. कोविडाचे पेशंट आमकां अजून मेळटा, तांचें मॉनिटरींग करता. ताका आमकां नवो हुरूप आयला, आमकां नवो उत्साह आयला. आमकां आनीक फुडें काम करीन दिसता आनी आमी अशेंच काम करतले. आमी जीव तोडून काम करतले आनी आमी कोविडाचे तिसरो वेव गोंयान येवपाक दिवचे ना अशें आमी ठरयलां.
Today we have a hospital which is with us, which we should be proud of. This hospital requires a lot of push in order to move forward. One thing, today's function is to specially appreciate and felicitate each one of you for what all you have gone through and what all you have done. It's not a joke what you did. the least we can do is come to you and thank you for all that you have done for the people of the state of Goa. This government, the Chief Minister, and we all, the whole cabinet, our colleagues, all of us sitting here, and all our colleagues who are not present with us also, with folded hands, we would like to thank each one of you for all what you have done, because many times you will feel that nobody appreciates what you do. We appreciate what you do. We appreciate what all you have done. I salute all our security, MTS, nurses. तुम्ही जे काम केलें ते कोणूच विसरू शकना. तुम्ही ज्या तरेन काम करता, ज्या तरेन आमचे डॉक्टर काम करता, आमी केन्नाच ते विसरू शकना. आनी परत एकदा एक सांगता, कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जे नर्सीस घेतल्या, कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जे डॉक्टर्स घेतल्या, हांकां न्याय दिवपाचें काम आमी सगळे करतले, कारण तांकां कोविडा खातीर वापरून आमी घरा धाडूंक शकना. कोविडा खातीर जे कोणी आपले लायफ रिस्कार घालून आमच्या खातीर काम केल्लें आसा, सरकाराची ती तरी जबाबदारी आहा की ह्या लोकांक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचेर न पूण रेग्युलर हेजेर आमी घालपाचे, आनी ह्याच फुडले 3-4 म्हयन्या भितर करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. With folded hands, I would like to thank all of you for having stood by the government without saying a word. Day in and day out, you all have fought and helped us fight COVID. And as a result of this, we were able to save the lives of the people of Goa.
फेलिसिएशन आमकां जाला जे खूब आनंद जाला, खूब बरें दिसला. जे आमी कोविडा खातीर काम केलेलें, कोविडा ड्युरींग कोविड पिरियड, तेन्ना आमकां आमचो जिवाचो अशी भिरांत कशी दिसली ना. एकदां आमी ड्रेस घालून भितर सरली की आमकां कितेंच दिसना. आमी फक्त ड्युटी करपाक आयला. ती कोविड काय नॉर्मल ड्युटी हे आमी केन्नाच चिंतलें ना. आनी पेशंट हॉस्पिटलान येवन जेन्ना बरे जावन गेले तेन्ना ते आमकां अशे पांय पडटाले, देव बरो करूं तुमकां. आमी एका जाणट्याक सुद्दां हांवें म्हटलें, बाबा आमकां पांय पडूं नाका, तूं आमचेर खूब व्हडलो आसा म्हटलें. तो म्हणपा लागलो, ना आतां सद्याक तुमी आमचे देव म्हणपा लागलो. आनी देव तुमकां बरें करूं, बरें आयुश्य दिवं, आनी अशीच लोकांची हे करीत राव अशें म्हणून खूब लोकांनी आमकां आशिर्वाद दिले. तेन्ना खूब बरें फील जालें. तीच आमकां एक सर्टिफिकेट लायफान, तीच सर्टिफिकेट मेळ्ळी म्हाका, हांव अशें म्हणटा.